Let's continue Hilchos Teshuvah, Shir number 28. We're very close to Rosh Hashana. Let's understand and learn what happens Rosh Hashana. Rosh Hashana is Yom Hadin, the day that HaKadosh Baruch Hu comes and judges all of us and everything what we did the last year and years before. And everything comes up to the scale in heaven, and HaKadosh Baruch Hu is done and judges and checks everything what we did. It's mitzvahs and averos. It's what we thought, how it was hard or easy, with which feeling we did every mitzvah or avere that we did, and everything comes up in front of HaKadosh Baruch Hu to a din. And this din is very, very dangerous, because like the Psukim tell us, and like we know from the davening, from the bracha of Zichronos, and we say it in the Sanatoikef, everyone according to their own minagim, but in the bracha from Zichronos, everyone says it's the meaning from everyone the same thing. Ata zoicher ma'asei olam ufoiket kol yitzurei kedem. Kadosh Baruch Hu brings to din and checks everyone in the world. Medina is the countries. Eizoila cherev. Which country will have war? Which country will have peace? Which country will be hungry? Will be for hunger. And who's going to be fed and have enough food? And every character in the world is also remembered and to be judged and to have a din. Lehazkiram, and they reminded everyone lechayim velamaves, for life, and rachmana litzlan, for death. And everyone Maaseh, and they see Maaseh what we did ufkudasai, and it's very dangerous. What could we do to pass this din and be over the din b'shalom? The Rambam brings it down in Hilchos Teshuvah also that every Rosh Hashana there is a din, and every one of Am Yisrael, and it's very dangerous, this din. But we have in the beracha from Zichronos, the mechaber atfila, the Anshe Knesset Agdoila, teach us also what to do. When they say that everyone, and every person, every human being is in front of HaKadosh Baruch Hu, kivnei maroi, like sheep going through, and everyone is checked, and everyone is gzeiranim, letoiv, rachmana litzlan, to bad. There is advice. I mean, it's like advice, but like the way that we could pass this din. When we say these words, that Maaseh of Kudasai Va'alila is mitzad Egav, when HaKadosh Baruch Hu checks everything what we did and what we thought and what we understood and why did we do it, after everything is counted. Ashrei ish shelo yishkocheka uven adam yisametz boch. Ashrei ish, proud is the man shelo yishkochecha, that does not forget HaKadosh Baruch Hu, uven adam, a human being that yisametz boch, he believes in HaKadosh Baruch Hu, he hopes to Hashem Yisborach, and he connects himself to Hashem Yisborach. Ki doi reshecha, ever is hoping to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, le'olam lo yikashelu, never lose and never fail. And never be ashamed, lo netzach, forever and ever, kol achoisim bach, ever trusts Hashem Yisborach. The way to pass the din and the judgment of Rosh Hashana is to come to HaKadosh Baruch Hu and say, Rebbeinu shel olam, I don't know what to do. I did gigantic mistakes. I know that if I'm coming with my power for you and stand in front of you to din, and you will judge me as my actions, as my thoughts, as my willings, as my everything what I bringing with me, this whole package, I have no chance at all. But I'm trusting you. I'm escaping to you. That's moiradik. That's Yemei Hadin. And that's Yomim Noiroim. I mean, what's Noiroim? Noiroim is translated as terrible. It's bad. It's fair. It's pachad. It's like, for example, if a father is coming home and he comes in, the children are playing, and now he wants to start like a sound of a game with one of the children, and he says, Moishi, where are you? With the voice, that very strict voice. And now, if the child comes, yeah, what happened, Daddy? And so he gets a hug, and that's it. It's only a fun and a laughing, and that's it. But when the father calls him and says, Moishi, where are you? And when a very strict sound, it sounds very bad, and the child, yeah, again with the silly jokes, then it could be very, very dangerous and really dangerous. HaKadosh Baruch Hu is once to have the connection with us. And the way that is bringing us to this connection is by bringing us with a shofar and with the sound of something very dangerous could happen in this time. What are we doing now? To where are we escaping now? We going like, leave alone, it's jokes, and it's still a joke, and we go weiter on like nothing happened. Rahman al-Islam. Then it's really dangerous. But if we escape and we run back to HaKadosh Baruch Hu and we trust Him and we know that Asher Isha lo yishkocheka uven Adam is ametzbach, then the din himself brings the greatest and biggest closeness and dveikus to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. This idea, I mean, we see it also in the Rishonim. The Rambam, when he speaks about the Rambam Pirush HaMishnayos and Rosh Hashana, speaks about Rosh Hashana and Yom Kippur, he says it's Yemei Mivrach Umanois Elov. It's days of escaping and running away from HaKadosh Baruch Hu back to Him. Because we have nothing that we could trust. Only HaKadosh Baruch Hu. And to understand that is our only trust, and to understand that HaKadosh Baruch Hu is the only escape that we have, we need this Yemei Adin. Reb Shlomo Ibn Gviral and Keser Malchus calls it, Mivrach, he calls it Mimecha, from you, Eilicha, to you, Avrach, I will escape. I will run from you to you. That's the secret of the Yomim Anoraim. The din is dangerous, but we escape and run away to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, and that's how we saved and get a Shana Tova u'Mesukkah.